Imagine if your favorite cryptocurrency could suddenly unlock a VIP pass to the mainstream financial world. Hey crypto lovers! Welcome back to your channel, AI FunTech. Remember, this isn't financial advice, so always do your research before investing. Today, we're diving deep into a hot topic that has the crypto space buzzing: the potential approval of a Litecoin ETF and its possible impact on Litecoin's price. What is an ETF and why should you care? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is essentially a basket of assets traded on traditional stock exchanges. In simple terms, it offers a regulated way to invest in an asset without needing to own it directly. With a Litecoin ETF, investors could gain exposure to Litecoin (LTC) through their regular brokerage accounts, bypassing the hassles of wallets, private keys, or complicated exchanges. Think of it as having your cake and eating it too, accessing crypto growth without the technical baggage. Recent developments have put Litecoin under the spotlight. Major players like Grayscale and Canary Capital have filed for Litecoin ETF products, and the SEC's acknowledgement of these filings has set the stage for what might be a turning point in crypto investing. Sources such as CCN and CoinGape are already highlighting how this move could potentially drive institutional adoption and add significant liquidity to Litecoin. Now, picture this: Litecoin walking into a high-security club with a VIP pass while other cryptos are left waiting in line. It's almost as if LTC suddenly got a backstage pass to the hottest concert in town. Talk about leveling up! Institutional investors love stability and regulatory clarity. An approved Litecoin ETF could make LTC far more attractive by providing a familiar, trusted investment vehicle. In recent days, chatter on platforms like Twitter or X has been electric, with influencers and analysts forecasting bullish momentum if the SEC gives the green light. For instance, CoinNest Global on X has already noted a surge in sentiment, as market participants get excited about what a regulated Litecoin investment product could mean. If approved, a Litecoin ETF could increase liquidity. More trading volume from institutional money could smooth out price fluctuations, attract new investors. A regulated ETF is less intimidating to traditional investors, potentially driving widespread adoption. Boost market credibility. With an ETF, LTC might be seen as a more mature asset class, similar to Bitcoin's evolution post-ETF approvals. Technical indicators suggest that Litecoin's price could experience a significant uptick. For example, recent reports from FX Empire detail how LTC is holding on to key support levels while building momentum for a breakout. Imagine the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, signaling that Litecoin is poised for a bullish run. These are classic signs that many traders look for before entering a market. Let's break this down. Support and resistance levels. LTC has been maintaining a solid floor and hovering through supports. Say the $100 mark, as suggested by recent analyses, could trigger a rapid upward move. Volume spikes. Increased trading volumes following ETF news, as reported by platforms like Bybit, add further credibility to a potential breakout. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing Litecoin's price jump by 20% overnight. Would you be checking your phone more than usual? It's a wild thought, but with the prospect of an ETF in play, such scenarios aren't entirely out of the question. It's like waiting for that next plot twist in your favorite binge-worthy series. You're on the edge of your seat. While the optimism is palpable, it's important to address the potential pitfalls. Regulatory approval is never a sure thing. The SEC has a history of cautiousness when it comes to crypto-related products. Even though recent developments have been encouraging, there's still a 240-day review window that could lead to delays or even rejections. For example, CCN's detailed guide explains that while ETFs simplify trading, they also bring tracking errors and management fees that might slightly dampen the returns. And then there's the ever-present risk of market volatility, a factor that can quickly turn bullish scenarios into bearish ones. Analysts have been vocal about where Litecoin might head if an ETF is approved. Some forecasts have speculated that LTC could surge to new all-time highs, with figures reaching as high as $50,000 in extreme scenarios, as discussed on CoinGape. On the more conservative side, Others believe a more modest but still significant jump, like pushing past the $200 mark, is possible, echoing sentiments from discussions on Reddit's r/Litecoin. I've been following this space closely, and while I'm not a fortune teller, the technical signals and market sentiment tell me that we might be on the brink of something big. However, it's essential to remember that the crypto market is as unpredictable as it is exciting. What if the ETF doesn't get approved? Or what if it takes longer than expected? That's the cliffhanger we all live for. Will LTC burst through its ceiling or face another round of consolidation? Stick around, because in a few minutes we'll explore some what-if scenarios that could change the landscape entirely. Spoiler alert, it might involve some jaw-dropping price action. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points. ETF potential. A Litecoin ETF offers a regulated, simplified route for investors to gain exposure to LTC. Market buzz. Increased institutional interest and positive technical indicators suggest that an ETF could catalyze a major price rally. Risks remain. Regulatory hurdles, market volatility, and operational challenges mean that nothing is set in stone. Expert predictions. Analysts from sources like FX Empire and Bybit are already placing bets on LTC's future, but caution is the order of the day. Let's entertain a few scenarios. 1. The bullish breakout. If the SEC approves the Litecoin ETF within the review period, institutional investors could flood in, liquidity would soar, and LTC might break out of its current range, potentially reaching new highs. Imagine Litecoin not only jumping the $100 support but then riding the wave all the way to unprecedented levels. In this scenario, early adopters could see substantial gains. 2. The cautious consolidation. On the flip side, if regulatory uncertainty persists, we could see LTC trading sideways or even experiencing short-term dump. This scenario would test investor resolve and highlight the importance of robust risk management. As always, staying informed and not putting all your eggs in one basket is crucial. 3. The surprise twist. And here's a cliffhanger. What if unexpected global economic shifts or new crypto regulations throw a wrench into the works? It might even spur innovation within the crypto ETF landscape, leading to rapid adjustments in market sentiment. It's like waiting for that unexpected twist in a thriller novel. You never quite know what's coming next. I remember the early days when Bitcoin ETFs were a hot topic. The market was a roller coaster of highs and lows, and every new regulatory development sent ripples across the entire crypto ecosystem. In many ways, Litecoin could be on a similar path. The mix of excitement and caution keeps me on my toes, and it's a reminder that while the potential rewards are high, so are the risks. What do you think? Could the approval of a Litecoin ETF be the catalyst that propels LTC to new heights? Or are the risks too significant to ignore? I'd love to hear your thoughts and theories. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit the like button and subscribe for more comprehensive analyses on all things crypto. And if you haven't already, check out our playlist on emerging crypto trends for even more insights. In the unpredictable world of crypto, each regulatory development, each technical signal, and each tweet from industry experts adds another layer to the story. The potential Litecoin ETF is not just another headline. It could be a game changer, fundamentally altering how we invest in crypto. So, as you continue on your investment journey, remember to stay informed, be cautious, and never hesitate to dive deeper into the research. The crypto world waits for no one, and every moment is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and possibly profit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those crypto dreams alive and remember, DYOR. Comment below with your thoughts on the Litecoin ETF and where you see LTC heading next. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Check out our related videos on Bitcoin and altcoin trends for further insights. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.